Okay, so we want to go ahead and identify these augmented matrices, each matrix, if it's in row echelon form. So there are the three stipulations. First, you want to make sure that the coefficients are 1. So in A, yep, you see that the coefficients are 1. And is there a 0 below the leading 1? Yes, it is. And that's all we have. We don't have any empty rows. So it qualifies on both of those. So it is in row echelon form. Now B, if we look, our leading coefficients, we've got a 1, we've got a 1, and we have a 1. We have an entirely empty row at the bottom, and then below all our leading ones are zeros. So this one has all three pieces and it satisfies them all. It is in row echelon form as well. Okay, so if we look at it, we've got 1, 2, 3 coefficients that are all 1. However, our next step is to see that under one of our leading ones, it's all zeros. Under that second leading one, it's not a 0. This is actually 1. So there would be actually more work that can be done to that problem for it to be in row echelon. So it's not row echelon. Hopefully that makes sense. It just has to qualify, or just has to, work with all three pieces. And this one, it doesn't have a 0 below our leading 0 in our row 2. That's it for this lesson. We're going to jump and take the second half tomorrow. So make sure you finish this in the homework. And then we're going to get into actually solving these matrices tomorrow.